guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fresh and this is King Diva. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. If this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Welcome back home. Alright guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Consider subscribing if you're still thinking about it. It's totally free. You don't have to pay anything. And today we're going to be just talking about this thing that is ravaging the internet, and it's really crazy. Like, from the title of this video, you must have seen the foreigner challenge is something that is common amongst the teenagers now. It's common amongst like the youngies, amongst the minors right now. What they do is that they literally play the Pop Smoke song, and they would show their innocent faces, and then at some point they show their privates. Like, they record it and they post it online, and it's like supposed to be a challenge. The foreigner challenge is really very rampant on TikTok, and it's just crazy. Like, this period where everybody is supposed to be at home, probably these kids don't have anything else to do and they're doing this. They don't know how detrimental this is to their future, how detrimental this is to their lives. Do you understand? Like, and then people are like picking these videos and reposting them on their pages so that they could get like views and all of that. And these children are doing this so that they could get likes and comments and just attention from, I don't know who they want all the attention from people that don't even know you. You know, it's crazy. So like, this is not fair. It's not okay. I'm not going to post the video on my channel, guys. You guys should just get aware. And then if you have any young person around you that has access to a phone or like the internet, try and check up on them, because you don't know what they do with their phones. You don't know what they do with their phones. I don't know. Parents should just find a way and check up on your children. I had my mom check up on me a lot when I was younger. She was my first friend on Facebook. I mean, she was my friend on Instagram. Like, she was literally on every platform that I was, and if I post anything, she would always go and check it out. And it gave me that consciousness that, oh, my mom would see this, I can't post this. Like, anything that was going around, anything that everybody was doing, I wouldn't want to do it, because I know, like, oh, my mom would see this, and it's not a good look, you get. So like, children need that kind of parental covering somehow. You need it, they need it. And if you have children that have access to phones and internet, please check up on them. You don't know what they are doing with their phones. You don't know what they post online. And funny thing is, some of these parents don't even know this app, so you won't even blame them. Like, I can count the number of parents I would talk to about TikTok, and they'll literally tell me they know what it is. I can bet you my mom doesn't know what TikTok is, and so many other parents too don't. I mean, I'm grown now, you get, but like back then when I was younger, of course there were other apps that were very rampant, and children were actually posting all manner of stupid things. But this is just the height of it, like posting your private, posting yourself having, it's crazy. If you're a parent, check on your children. If you have minors that have phones, even if they don't have phones, some of them have access to phones. Some of them have friends in their neighborhood that have phones and have internet access. Check on them. Make sure you know what they are posting. Try to stalk them. I don't know, stalk them if you have to. Create an account and follow them on social media platforms that they are on, and get to see what they are doing, because it's not a good look. There's a video of this young girl that posted herself, the song and everything. She did the whole challenge, and her parents were really upset. She was even crying. I think they got to like talk to her about it, and she was crying, and it was just, I couldn't watch the whole thing. I couldn't, like, my sanity is important to me, guys. Like, it's crazy. These are small children, these are minors, these are kids that are between the ages of like 10 and 15, 10 and 14. What do they know? Like, what do they know? What do they really know? They don't know what they're doing. And this is the time where there isn't so much you can do with your time, because you're always at home and you can't go out there, you can't be in school, you can't be in classes. The normal things that we've been used to in our lives has been taken away from us, you know, because of we trying to stay in quarantine and just stay at home and all of that. So it's not easy for most of these kids to adjust to this type of life. Most of them have not been through these kind of things before, even though they are kids and all, they've not been through this before. Even though we haven't been through it, I'm among like the millennials and all that, we haven't been through this before, but still somehow we have some level of sense, and we can actually try to pass this period doing other things that we can do at home that are not stupid. So if you're a parent, this goes for you. Check on your children. If you have cousins that have access to phones and internet, check on them. We don't know what they're doing, and it would not be a good look if they fall into this sick challenge. This is a sick challenge, and I see no sense in it, and I just wish that a lot of these kids can maybe find some sense in their brain and just snap out of it and not do it. Okay, so I want to shout out Keisha and Sky Ellipsis. I watched their videos, and that's like how I got like the full grasp of really what it was about. And I kind of went online and then did some research, and I saw some other provocative videos, but I didn't view everything because I just couldn't. It was kind of disgusting. But yeah, so this has brought us to the end of today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, get the word out there, and check on the young ones, guys. Check on them, please. My heart is breaking just seeing this thing. My heart is really breaking. Well, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.